Want that smooth as glass paint, but nervous about scratching your car with a clay bar? Here's the deal. Even when done properly, clay can leave very light marks called marring. It can look a little weird in the sunlight like this, but it's completely normal and an easy fix by hand. I'll show you how to clay bar a car safely and how to remove that marring so you can confidently do this right at home. At a minimum, wash your car by hand first to remove dirt and debris. Links to everything I use in the video will be in the description below. Now just make sure to rinse and dry thoroughly with a quality drying towel. If you have road tar or tree sap on the paint, remove it before claying. If you pick that gunk up with your clay bar, it can cause deep scratches really quickly. If you're working on a newer or well-kept car, use a mild or fine grade clay bar and knead it flat to a comfortable size. For the safest process, pair it with a dedicated clay lubricant. I'll explain why in a moment. Work in the shade and use just enough lubrication to let the clay glide freely. Don't apply pressure here, just enough to keep the bar flat on the paint. If the surface is contaminated, it will feel rough at first. Keep working a small section until it feels completely smooth. If the clay starts to feel tacky or grabby, even with lubrication, it's likely loaded with contaminants. Flip it or knead it to expose a clean side before continuing. Move in straight back and forth motions. If you hear or feel dragging or scratching, stop immediately and inspect the clay and the paint. When in doubt, expose a fresh side. It's that simple. You can use soapy water or a detail spray, but they may not provide as consistent lubrication and can shorten the life of the clay. A dedicated clay lubricant stays wet longer, improves glide, and helps reduce the risk of marring. You might be wondering, why not just use a synthetic clay towel or mitt? They're faster and they work well, but a traditional clay bar gives you more control, especially in tight areas. You can see the contamination and expose a clean side instantly. That's why I prefer it for a careful, controlled result. I like using a clean, high-quality microfiber towel to wipe away any residue for a lint-free, streak-free finish. If you're getting into detailing, you can never have too many of these. I use them for everything from interior work to ceramic coatings. As always, no deep scratches were induced during this process. This particular car, though, actually came from the dealership with some light marring, which causes those strange reflections you see on the paint, especially around curves and contours. It's a great example of what you might run into on certain paint types after using a clay bar. The good news? It's not permanent, and it's incredibly easy to remove with a simple hand polish. If you want to learn how to fix that next, I saved it for the next video right here. You'll be able to click it at the end of this one. I'm Alan, have a great day, and thanks for watching.